Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the real scoop. Today, we're cooking up something special in the kitchen with the Tefal Easy Fry Air Fryer Oven. Let's get right into it. Now, if you're in the market for a kitchen appliance that's more than just your average air fryer, then you might want to pay attention to this bad boy. The Tefal Easy Fry Air Fryer Oven isn't just about air frying. It's a multitasking mini oven that packs a punch. First things first, let's talk about design and build. This thing is a beast, with a whopping 20-liter capacity. It's definitely going to take up some real estate on your countertop, so make sure you've got the space for it. But hey, it's not all about size. It's got style too, with a sleek black finish and metallic control dials that give it a modern look. When it comes to performance and features, the Tefal Easy Fry Air Fryer Oven doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with 7 preset programs, including bake, grill, roast, and pizza. Plus, there are 2 manual modes for toasting bagels and reheating, so you've got plenty of options to choose from. Now, let's talk about the real test: cooking. We tried out a variety of dishes with this oven, from homemade fries to toasted bagels to roasted chicken legs. And let me tell you, the results were impressive. The air frying basket allows for even cooking, although we did notice that some pieces required flipping to ensure even browning. One thing to keep in mind is that cleaning this oven can be a bit of a chore. Unlike smaller air fryers with removable baskets, you'll need to wipe down the interior and hand wash the accessories after each use. But hey, it's a small price to pay for the convenience and versatility that this appliance offers. So, should you buy the Tefal Easy Fry Air Fryer Oven? If you're looking for a kitchen workhorse that can do it all, from air frying to baking to roasting, then absolutely. It's perfect for busy households or anyone who loves to entertain. Just make sure you've got the space for it on your countertop. And there you have it, folks. That's our take on the Tefal Easy Fry Air Fryer Oven. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product demos. Until next time, happy cooking!